In this YouTube video, I will teach you all of the secrets you need to know in order to get cute girlies to go and watch you. Okay, sorry for the intro. I feel like the intro kind of sounds creepy. I'm so sorry. Anyways, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube videos or my YouTube channel. I don't even know how to do a proper intro. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get a more female audience on social media. Anyways, I think I know a thing or two about how to do this because my audience used to actually skew extremely male because I was making League of Legends content and just playing into the whole like cat girl Asian support player stereotype. Anyways, whatever. But now my audience is like 72% female on TikTok, 60% female on Instagram. Twitch doesn't tell you, so I have no idea for Twitch. And this is for any gender who wants a more female audience. You don't have to just be like a dude who just wants more females to go watch you because your audience is really masculine for some reason and you don't like that. I don't know. So a lot of women actually ask me this because their demographic skews very male and they're like, Kat, I want more female viewers. I want more girlies to go watch me. How do I get such a female demographic? Because they know that my demographic is very heavily skewed towards females. I got you. I got you with all my tips and tricks. It's a safe space here. All right, first and foremost, if you want the girlies to go watch you, make sure that your content and your platform and everything you stand for is a safe space for women. Why would women want to go watch you if your content doesn't make us feel comfortable? We already have to deal with so much as it is in the gaming industry and in the content creation esports world. We don't need to deal with people who also don't support women too, okay? Aggressive, toxic, masculine behavior, that whole like, Chad, oh yeah, bro, I just hit the gym today. Come watch my streams. We're gonna sit down and play COD and like get some dubs. Like, I'm sorry. Oh, I hope I edit that out. That type of like very aggressive masculine Chad energy is a huge turnoff for girls. Like, we don't like, it doesn't make us, or again, I'm speaking for myself, but I can't speak for all women, obviously, but many girls that I know are not very comfortable with that type of behavior because it basically screams misogyny and it basically screams I support the boys, I don't support girls, like that type of deal. It's just uncomfy vibes. This is why the whole e-boy and golden retriever gamer boy aesthetic is really in. The whole thing with that aesthetic is very lean, very slender, very soft boys. It's a huge thing on TikTok and other socials now. But I feel like a lot of the Chad guys don't understand because they're like, oh, but they don't have like abs and huge biceps and a car that goes vroom when I start it up. So why would they care? It's because these soft boys make us women feel safe and your vrooming loud, like jacked up car doesn't. Sorry. 2. Stand up for women in gaming and injustice that you see happening towards women. You have a platform. Use it. So when you see injustice happening, please throw in your 2 cents and don't sit quietly like a bystander. When you show that you stand up for women, you again make yourself and your platform a safe space for us women to feel comfortable with. And we'll be more likely to go and come and watch your content because you feel safe to us. And kind of going along with that thought, supporting women in general, commenting sweet and nice things under the post that people make, you know? Oh, and again, there's a tact when it comes to commenting these things. Don't be creepy or weird about it. But you know, I like to comment things like, oh my gosh, you look so cute. I love your makeup. I love this dress on you, da 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 da. Like being very sweet and friendly towards other female content creators because it's already rough out here as it is anyways, and because I do look cute and I want to throw in my 2 cents because I want to tell them that they look cute because we gotta go validate them, okay? Another thing on Twitter too, like retweeting cute girls just to go show that, you know, you support the girlies and stuff like that. Again, don't be creepy about it, but it definitely feels really nice when your pictures get retweeted by another cute girl and when you retweet them too. It's kind of like a camaraderie building thing. It's really sweet. I like it a lot. Also, standing up against toxic male behavior. If you see a lot of like toxic dudes doing their thing and being misogynistic, please stand up against it. Again, if you see people, let's say you made a TikTok video and people are like being misogynistic in the comments, right? If you sit quietly, it kind of seems like you are enabling that behavior. I don't recommend getting into a whole fight with people in the comment section. I always have a rule for myself that I leave one response as a rebuttal to correct misguided thought processes if it's necessary, to show that I don't enable this behavior. And then if people want to like fight me later in the comments, whatever, they can type as many comments as they want. I don't respond after that one comment I respond. But if there's like a misogynistic comment, I'll be like, oh, like recently I had a TikTok video where I showed my growth and people were like, oh, you only grew because you're pretty as a Twitch streamer. And I was like, oh, but like I showed my growth over the 3 years. I showed that I did not grow for the first year and a half, but I looked the same. So where's your rebuttal to that? Also, I just like making content that calls out male streamers when they're being misogynistic or having those types of mentalities. So I will make generic videos like, oh, you know, when people think it's easy to grow on Twitch as a female, or like, or something along those lines. But again, making videos like that shows that I am a safe space for women because I don't agree with that type of misogynistic mindset. Also, cater your content towards women. Obviously, if your content is more masculine, it's catered more towards a masculine audience, you're probably gonna wind up with a lot of guys following you. But if you make your audience catered more towards the girls and the gays, then your audience will reflect as such. So if you do tend to do spicier thirst trap content, cater it towards women, okay? You know, some of you Genshin cosplayers out there really do be doing some interesting work. Let's say an example is like if you're making a thirst trap video, you know, you can kind of do a trend where the trend kind of goes something like this, right? Where you just sit and you, in the beginning of the video, you talk about something to kind of like drive away a chunk of people. So you could do something like, oh my God, guys, let me show you this new highlighter that I bought. It's so freaking amazing. Like now that the guys are gone, what do you think about this cosplay or something like that, you know, where you definitely cater the content specifically towards the girls and the gays. Again, when you show that your content and your beliefs and whatever side with women and that you are a safe space, you're gonna get a more female audience. Other options are to make videos specifically as call to actions to get a more female audience. Something like looking for more girl gamer friends, stuff like that. And then again, a lot of good things too is talking about your experience as a female streamer. It again shows that you're a safe space, you understand our experiences, and this works if you're a female streamer, but you know, you can also speak on it even if you don't identify as female. I've seen a lot of male content creators do this where they're like, yeah, you know, I'm a dude, da 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 da, but like these are some of my female content creator friends and they have it so difficult, or like this is their experience, they got hate rated recently by a guy who was just trying to solicit their number and things out of them. I think is disgusting. Again, like talking about the female experience and making us feel safe, like not belittling the experience in any way. What you should not do is 1, be misogynistic, and 2, make videos that put other women down. That is the best way to go and make sure that none of us want to follow you because you evidently show that you don't give a crap. Again, TLDR, make a safe space for women with your content and you will get more female followers and you'll get a more female demographic. But yeah, I hope you liked this video and I'd appreciate it a lot if you liked and subscribed this video. Also peep my Ray merch. Mwah, I love you, Ray. And if you like me, I hope I could see you potentially in my Twitch streams. I do stream 4 days a week and I hope to catch you guys in another video. Peace.